Namaste everyone, welcome to another video from your average human. Today is August 26th and I'm on my way to take the delivery of my new bike. The showroom from which I booked the bike, they called me today morning and told me that my bike is ready and I can pick it up today. So I had ordered a few accessories online from Bandidos Pit Stop and ADV Tribe, and I am taking those boxes with me to the showroom and I'll get those accessories fitted there itself. Well, Kushi had told me to take the delivery on August 30th, which is August 30th is Krishna Janmashtami, and she wanted it to be special because I was born on Krishna Janmashtami. She wanted it to be like a birthday gift, and I gave it a thought. I spoke to the showroom people also. They said, okay, fine, if you really want to take it on August 30th, we'll send it back to the stockyard where they stock their bikes until they are booked and delivered. Then I kind of thought about the stockyard. It's usually a dusty place. There is no covered parking always. There's a lot of dust. There's a lot of it's raining now in Bangalore. There's a lot of water, so I didn't want to take the risk of dirtying this bike which is ready for delivery. So I decided to take the delivery today itself, and I told them I'll be coming, and I'm going alone today. Yeah, everyone was a little busy, so I had actually proper plans of getting the delivery done and unveiling the t-shirts of Average Human Vlogs, and I wanted to do a giveaway of the t-shirts also, but I think I'll have to postpone that for another day and another video. So I'm not going to tell you what bike I'm buying now. Just stick with me, watch the vlog. You'll get to know which is the bike that I'm buying. Okay, let us see you in the showroom. Welcome back, guys. Now we are at the Royal Enfield showroom. Now you guys know which bike I'm buying. This bike is ready for delivery, the Classic 350. This color looks good, no? Orange and black. Yes, looks dashing. But that's not my bike. My bike is standing here, the Interceptor 650 Twins Orange Crush. Look at it, looks lovely. The backrest is from Legendary Customs. I bought it from Bandidos Pit Stop, and ADV Tribe radiator guard, ADV Tribe footrest. The visor, I got it installed from RE. I even got a touring mirror. I had ordered a touring seat from Continental GT also, but unfortunately that was not in stock. I've been promised I'll be getting the seats in the next 4 to 5 days. So no issues, I'll get it changed. Just look at the bike now. I'll be taking delivery of this beautiful beast in a few minutes. Stick with me. Okay, thank you. So I've taken the delivery of the bike. Now I'm going to go to the fuel station. The showroom people have given me a coupon for 4 liters to a nearby petrol bunk, I'm gonna go there, get it filled, and from there I'll be traveling to Jayanagar 4th block to get the blessings of Lord Vinayaka. All my bikes that I've purchased, I've done the puja from the same temple, so I'll just go there and see if there's less crowd. I'll get it, I'll get the puja done from there itself, and then from there I need to hurry up and go to my class because I have a class scheduled at 7 and I think I'll be late. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the temple, and then I'll end the video there and meet you guys maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'll do a detailed walk around the bike, and we'll take it from there. Until then, see you guys. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.